I'd say a very, small example from the class that I just came from would be we were working on paragraph structure and did a exercise where we're up out of our seats and moving around and then categorizing different objects and then talking about paragraph unity, the unity of details in a paragraph, and then they sat down with a draft of an essay that they were working on, and their task was to look back and analyze, what they had done. Did they have details that didn't belong? And then strike those from the draft. Or if there was nothing, either way, they wrote a reflection at the bottom of that draft, saying, reflecting on the draft itself. So that would be one example in terms of with writing and writing instruction. I've also, in one of my classes just recently, we videotaped group discussions, and then they wrote a reflective essay on both their behaviors and their group dynamic in the discussion, and from which point they set a specific goal that they wanted to work on as an individual, and I used the SMART goal format, which seems a little cheesy sometimes, but I think it makes it really specific and makes them think about techniques that they'll use. And so we're working over the course of 3 weeks in their group. They have group discussion, and then they do a really quick, maybe 3-minute log of how they're progressing on their goal, and if they need to troubleshoot, what are some strategies, and if they've had success, why have they had success. So I think I'm starting to incorporate reflection more in my classes than I ever have.